In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a passkey for your Amazon account. This is an important step to enhance your account's security and ensure that you have a smooth and safe experience while shopping on Amazon. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your Amazon account. This is the same account you use for all your Amazon activities, whether it's shopping, managing your subscriptions, or streaming content. Ensure you have your login credentials, such as your email and password, ready to go. Once you're signed in, you're ready for the next step. Now that you are logged in, you'll want to access your account settings. To do this, find the option labeled Your Account. This is generally accessible from a drop-down menu near your account name. Clicking Your Account will take you to a comprehensive menu of options where you can manage all aspects of your Amazon experience. In this next step, we'll focus specifically on your security settings. Look for the section named Login and Security. It might take a moment to locate it among the other options, but it's important to ensure that your Amazon account is secure. Click on Login and Security. This will direct you to a page where you can make changes to your login information and security preferences. Now, within the Login and Security section, you will find the option to set up a passkey. This option is generally located next to the standard login options, such as changing your password or two-step verification settings. Look for a prompt or a button that says Set Up next to the passkey option and go ahead and click it. Once you've clicked the Setup button for the passkey, you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. These instructions will guide you through everything you need to do. Often, this will include verifying your identity through additional steps like entering a code sent to your email or phone number. Make sure to pay careful attention to these prompts and follow them precisely. If you have any trouble, Amazon usually provides helpful tips or links to further resources, ensuring you can get guidance right when you need it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll have enhanced the security of your Amazon account by setting up a passkey. This will help protect your personal information and make your online shopping experience safer. Remember to keep your login details safe and secure, and consider writing down any important settings or changes in a secure location. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.